Hello guys, Ramen Teddy here. Today we are going to make fried egg ramen. We need just three ingredients today. Shin Ramen, two eggs, avocado oil, or a canola oil. That's it. You need two pans to cook ramen noodle and egg. When water is boiling, please cook ramen noodle. Cook just semi-hard. At the same time, add 3 tablespoons of canola oil or avocado oil on wok or the pan you have, and then add 2 eggs. And don't touch them until bottom is cooked, and then you can mix a little bit. Add dry veggies and soup base from the package and mix them well. And then add ramen noodles. Then frying them with eggs and soup base. And that's it. Simple, right? Plating time looks delicious. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Bye.